Let's take a look at payroll and specifically getting time into the system. The great thing about an integrated system is that most of the information that you need to run payroll has already been set up on the HR side of things. So really, the only pieces of information the system requires to run the pay are pay types and the pay dates underneath here. And we of course want to make sure our year-to-date information gets stored in the right year, so we put our year types under here. So it's calendar 2015 and fiscal 2015, but there are situations where it could be calendar 2014 and fiscal 2015. So you want to make sure they're all correct under here. So we make sure our pay types and dates are set up, and we also make sure our run designators are set up. These are the master switch for payroll, and it's a different type, and it's all the different types of runs that you may have. Regular runs, check reversals, manual checks, vacation checks, and the rules behind each of these. So for a regular run, which we're looking at right here, you have everything. Everything is cycling here. Taxes, benefits, arrears, all of that is turned on. However, if we look at check reversal, you're probably going to want to have most of everything turned off. You don't want anything to recalculate. All you want to do is back out your mistake. So you've got everything turned off here. So every process that we launch is going to ask for pay type, pay period, and the run designator. The first stage of payroll is getting time into the system. We've already looked at how we can get time into the system with employee self-service. We can enter time from the calendar view. We can use the time clock in self-service to enter time in that way as well. We can also generate time right off of salary records. So if someone always gets paid $2,000 a pay period, we can put that into the system as well automatically. We also have a full scheduling module available as well. So whatever time is entered on the schedule can automatically be moved over to payroll for processing. We also have clients that use time clocks and biometric readers. Interfaces are a possibility as well. And of course, we always have to have time entry available. So this is a batch time entry screen. It's just an example. This is going to default as much information as it possibly can for us. It's going to default the pay period, the date, the position they normally work in, give us a table to pick off of our pay code, and then we can enter the time that we want into the transaction. Behind the scenes, we can see all the detail that is captured on a particular time transaction. So there's costing information, locations, physical locations. Maybe you want to track who's replacing who when an employee comes into sub. So all of that information is here, and if you need to report on it, it is available. So once you get time into the system in a variety of ways, then it's time to start the actual payroll process.